Hello dear students, welcome to CR's digital classes. Let us today deal with the topic DL nomenclature or DL configuration. DL configuration is the configuration or the arrangement which deals with the arrangement of groups present in a molecule. It is assigned to chiral molecules. Let us get into the details of it. So configuration, the word configuration means three-dimensional arrangement of atoms or groups around an asymmetric carbon in a molecule is called as configuration. So configuration is of two types. Here it is DL and RS configurations. So these configurations help to understand the structures of optical isomers that are present in the nature or the substances that are synthesized by human beings. So let us understand the details. So DL nomenclature was given by Rozanov using Fischer projection formulas of molecules. Hence it is also called as Fischer-Rozanov convention. So it is designed, majorly used to give names or to understand the structures of amino acids and sugars that are present in our body or in the nature. Being a molecule of glyceraldehyde is taken as reference to give names to other molecules. Hence, it is also called as relative configuration. So, the glyceraldehyde molecule is this one, and this molecule arbitrarily given D and L configuration to glyceraldehyde molecule by Rozanov. So, if the OH group is present on the right side of the molecule in glyceraldehyde, then it is given D nomenclature, and if the OH group is on left side, it is L glyceraldehyde. So this D and L, capital, as you can see, these are denoted with capital letters. These should not be compared with the DL rotation of optical activity of the molecule. So they are denoted with small d and capital L. So these are denoted with capital D and capital L. Small d, small l for optical activity, capital D, capital L for DL configurations. So optical activity is different from configuration. Configuration deals with the arrangement of groups in the molecule, whereas optical activity depends upon it is considered with the rotation of the plane polarized light. So both of these concepts are different. Please do not get confused between them. So to assign a molecule D and L configuration, we have to take a Fischer projection formulas of the compound. So, and from the bottom of the compound, the first carbon is taken into consideration. Whatever groups are present, whatever it may be, hydroxy group or amino group or any other group are present, then any groups on right side, if they are present on the right side, then D configuration is given, because in D glyceraldehyde, the OH group is present on right side. Similarly, if groups are present on left side of the molecule, then the configuration given is L configuration. So L configuration is given because in L glyceraldehyde molecule, the hydroxy group is present on the left side. So as you can see in the example, D glucose and L glucose. So the last carbon here is on the right side, the hydroxy group is on the right side of the molecule, hence D glucose. And here in L glucose, the hydroxy group is on left side, hence L glucose. The name is given arbitrarily by convention. So there are some drawbacks to this configuration because it can be applied only to Fischer projection formulas of the compounds. There are some compounds which cannot be drawn in Fischer projections. And all molecules are not similar to glyceraldehyde. There are some other differences when compared with glyceraldehyde. So for such compounds, DL configuration cannot be given. And here only one carbon is considered as a chiral carbon. Only one stereocenter is considered. There are compounds with more than one stereocenters. Like in example of glucose, there are many other carbons. Other carbons are also present, which are stereocenters, and it cannot be applied to molecules without stereocenters. Without stereocenters, molecules can be chiral also. Such are allenes, biphenyls, and spirales. These are also chiral compounds, but they do not contain stereocenters, asymmetric molecules. These are asymmetric molecules without stereocenters. Hence, DL configuration cannot be applied to these compounds. So that is the topic of DL configuration. Hope you have understood. Thank you.